Hey guys, what's up? And thanks for stopping by my channel, SimplyCrystalMichelle. And today I want to share with you guys some products I've been trying out for about a month. Things have been very crazy. As you guys know, I live in New York, so the quarantine over here with the virus going around has just been very crazy. I don't think we can use that word here on YouTube for some reason, so you guys know what I'm talking about. But I'm sorry that I haven't been able to push out content. It's just been it's been a tough time, especially when you're experiencing losses and things like that about people that you love or people that you care about or experience losses around you. It's just been a bit difficult. Sometimes you just don't feel that motivated to get some content out, but finally, it is May, the sun is out, it's beautiful weather, and I wanted to come to you guys to just share some positive things that have been going on. As you guys can see, this has been the protective style that I've pretty much been rocking the entire time during quarantine. I just have a bunch of flat twists in my hair that pull back in a bun, so I'm excited to see my growth at the end of this experience. And thanks to these two products, which I will give you guys some shots on, this is what I have been using to pretty much care for my hair. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so these products are by Shiny Leaf, and I received their shampoo and their matching conditioner. And I have to say, because lately I've been really fickle about natural hair products, I actually went through and threw a whole bunch of stuff out. So if you haven't seen the different things I have going on my Instagram page, which I'm always active, go check it out at SimplyCrystalMichelle. I'll go ahead and link it right here. But I've been using these products pretty much for about a month now. It's right there, it's in my shower, it's quick to use. And I have to say, I actually enjoy it. Now, sometimes with the shampoos, I can kind of take it or leave it, but I actually really did enjoy this shampoo. It did cleanse my hair. My hair did not feel stripped at all. And these products have castor oil in it. This is their Shiny Leaf Cold Pressed Castor Oil Shampoo and the Shiny Leaf Cold Pressed Castor Oil Conditioner plus Hair Rescue Formula. It adds volume and shine moisture rich solution. Now, I have to tell you guys, just based off the ingredients in these products, checking my notes so you guys get all the information. It is 100% free from sulfates, parabens, and silicones, which is awesome, especially for us curly girls. It's hexane free. It has natural ingredients, which I'm gonna go over, and it is curly girl friendly, and it's also a color safe formula. So if you have color treated hair and natural hair, this is definitely products that you want to try out. So let me go ahead and tell you guys the different ingredients that are in these products. There's castor oil, and if you guys know, if you have fine hair like me, like right here, sometimes I'd be thinning out at my edges. Castor oil is great because it's a fatty acid with vitamin E and protein, and it's moisture rich, so it's gonna not only help add some shine to your hair, but also thicken it up, which is awesome. Also, what's in this product is coconut oil, which is really great for stimulating hair growth, nourishes your follicles, and adds luster to your natural curls. There's also keratin amino acids, which is great because that's building blocks, so you're gonna get some protein and strength within your hair. There's also aloe juice, which if you guys know, if you've seen on my channel in past videos, I love aloe because it adds moisture to your hair, leaving it smooth and shiny. And I hope you guys can you catch that shine on my hair? This chamomile flower extract, which is something I've never known before, but apparently they use this for not only its calming aroma, but it also helps with hair flakes and things like that, so that's something to keep in mind. And last but not least, there is honey extract. And the awesome part about honey extract is that it is a humectant, so it's drawing moisture into your hair. So if you're living in a dry area or your hair is suffering from being dry, this is definitely a conditioner and shampoo mix that you guys want to try out because it's going to thicken your hair, moisturize your hair, add shine to it, and also help with any flaking if you have going on. So I have to say, I went ahead, I used the shampoo, it cleansed my hair, it wasn't stripping, so definitely give this an A. Usually with shampoos, I'm just looking to make sure that it cleanses my hair and it doesn't dry my hair or mat or tangle it up. If it does any of those things, then this one, you can chuck it, because I really get through a bottle of shampoo before I finish my entire bottle of conditioner. And then I followed up with the Shiny Leaf Castor Oil Conditioner. And I usually don't say I love a product because I'm very picky or it never hits the channel and I don't review it. I actually really enjoyed this conditioner. It has so much slip, which is very important for me as a curly girl, that I was able to detangle my hair. My hair felt very, very soft and moisturized, and all I pretty much did was like seal with the oil and braid my hair back up. I might add a leave-in, but no twisting cream, anything like that, and I just saw my curls pop. I definitely have to use this over a more consistent period of time as far as thickness, which I am someone who wants to make sure my edges are nice and thick and not like thinning out. So especially because I'm not manipulating my hair right now, it's doing pretty well. But I definitely will say this had a lot of slip. I was able to detangle, comb through my hair. My hair felt very soft, very moisturized. I like that it doesn't have cones or parabens or sulfates, things like that really don't work well with my hair. I also have sensitive skin. I had no irritation on my hand when applying the product to my hair. So I will definitely be using this entire bottle. It's definitely a win for me. Also, another thing to note, I haven't installed it yet, but Shiny Leaf also does send you pumps, which is awesome. So I'm just being lazy, I haven't put it in yet, but that will definitely make your wash day process go a lot easier. But I just want to show you guys the consistency of the conditioner. It's not watery, it's also not super thick that you're gonna feel like if you have fine hair like me, it's gonna rip out. It's just that perfect in the middle, semi-thick kind of consistency, as you guys can see. And I also want you guys to see the consistency of the shampoo. Also, it has a very mild honey kind of fragrance. So if you're kind of sensitive to smell, it's nothing crazy like a vanilla or super floral. Just a nice, regular, simple, excuse me, that's my fiance. Just a regular, simple conditioner smell. I just kind of smell a little bit of that chamomile and honey, so I like the scent. Doesn't irritate me or anything like that. And this is just that Pearl Essence shampoo. Just kind of has a pearl hue on it. That's pretty much it. I'm telling you guys, this is just a regular shampoo and conditioner, but it has a lot of power and kick behind it. And I think it's gonna be really great for those of you ladies who want to add shine and luster to your hair, as you guys can see. Add some moisture to your hair. So let me know what you guys think about the Shiny Leaf products. I definitely will continue to use it, and I definitely will probably reinvest in the conditioner because I love a good conditioner that works on my hair, and also the next day it doesn't feel dry or crunchy or anything like that. So, and it checks up all those, you know, curly girl issues that we have. So check it out. And also for you guys, I do have I do have a coupon code, which I'm gonna link right here. Go ahead and use the code Crystal10. I'm gonna repeat that for you guys again. Crystal10 for 10% off all Shiny Leaf products and also free shipping. So if you're home like me, you can't go out, but you're still trying to do your natural hair care routine, go ahead and use that coupon, get that free shipping. You know, distance, social distancing, guys, practice it, especially if you're in this area. And continue to care for your natural hair and treat it like a spa day or something like that. Whatever you have to do to get in the mood. And like I always tell people, there's no right or wrong way to function during this pandemic, because no one's ever been through it unless you're like over 100 years old. So no one's judging. God bless, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye.